if you guys remember, if you are new to the channel, oh man, we've done so many things with this anvil. The time has come. We have to destroy it even more, unfortunately. We shot it with the 20mm, me and Mark out in the desert. And we're gonna shoot it with 50 BMG today and a couple other rounds to see what happens on the surface. A lot of people said something which I kind of agreed on. I guess majority of the force is done on the top, where people, the blacksmiths, they hammer things on the top, not on the side. And we shot it on the side, even though the bullet got stuck. Jasper, you want to show this here real quick?
Yes.
There's a 20mm projectile stuck right in there. I think it was a red tip, it was a tungsten core or something like that. I don't remember, or a black tip. Two red and black, and I decided to go with the tungsten round. Fire in the hole! Anyway, the bullet got stuck right at in the middle. So now we're back. We're just gonna shoot it with different rounds. And I was telling Jasperi, let's just put it in the like that. Also, it's how many degrees is that? It's a little tilted. That way, in case there is a ricochet, it'll just go somewhere else.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
I mean, it's not too bad of a tilt. It's just a little bit. How many degrees? 15 degrees?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
17.
17 degrees. So we don't have to go back and forth too much. Use these copper bullets from Underwood Ammo, and thanks to Gun Prime for sending me the 509 tactical 509 9mm. You're recording, your ears are on. Okay, here we go. Did I hit it?
No. No.
Yeah, that was a hit. That was a hit.
I think you make a hole. The big hole.
This one. I can come back and hit it, but I know it's one of them. It's either this or that.
Cabron, watch. You hit one over there, and one here. One here.
Okay, you don't have to.
And one over there.
Let's go. I'm gonna go round two, but I'm gonna come back with the 9. Okay. Let's go with the 45-7.
Cabron, you see, it's two misses.
Okay, next it's gonna be a 45-70. I'm using this lever action. These are from Underwood Ammo Extreme Penetrators. They're about 305 grain. I think they travel like 2,100 feet per second. And this nice lever action Henry was sent to us by Gun Prime. Check them out if you guys want guns and good deals. You ready, Jasperi?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Low.
No?
No, yes, but really low.
Really low?
Yeah, in the bottom. I don't know this one.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. Oh, cabron! Same area. 3 shots, same area.
Oh, all 3 were hit.
Yeah, cabron, all 3. Look at this beauty. Ay, carajo.
Can you please stop insulting me? Look at that beautiful 3 rounds.
Yeah, 3 rounds, 3 hits.
And nothing happened.
Nothing. Oh, the bottom. You can see the top one.
The plus. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it for that. Nothing happened with the 45-70. Should I shoot it with the AK? Couple rounds?
Sure.
I'm just all over the place with these rounds. Okay, here. Hold this for me.
Yes.
Please. Please and thank you. Спасибо. Спасибо. Пожалуйста. Okay. Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
Clear on this.
Ah, cabrón, you hit really good in the two.
Because you know this is my native weapon, so like when we are born, the doctor gives us one of these right in the beginning.
You fire four, but here,
Okay,
hold this thing. Let me.
so 1, 2, 3,
That's it.
and nothing happened. Maybe we can use this for cooking again. If
Yeah.
you guys haven't followed us on the cooking channel, me and Jasperi sometimes get hungry. We have a little cooking channel. It's Edwin Sarkisian Vlogs. Make sure you are subscribed to that. I don't know, we might do some stuff over there, some more stuff. I will have a link in the description. It's a kind of like a food channel. We get bored after a long day of work. We just make some stuff, and we use this anvil to cook on. That's why you'll see a lot of grease on the bottom and the top. It's all blacked out. So we have this thing on fire usually, and we made a bunch of burgers,
Steaks.
steaks,
Good
and
steaks.
yeah, good steaks too. And it was interesting how it takes like about 30 to 40 minutes to heat up on fire.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bless you.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's go shoot with some other rounds. This is my grandpa's M16. Like I said, he brought it back from the World War II. We're gonna be using these green tip 5.56. There's like 3 of them in there. They have a steel core, and shooting them with this Colt AR-15. This is the original look. A lot of people like this, and so do I. Is it going too high?
No, you hit.
Oh, I hit it?
Yeah, one more, please. You hit.
That was a perfect shot. Clear.
You hit twice.
I did.
Yes. Yeah.
1, 2. It's amazing what the steel core does. So obviously you guys have seen me shoot regular 5.56, and that AK round didn't even do nothing, just disintegrate on the surface. But that 5.56, it made like a 2 millimeter deep hole in there. So that's a pretty good round.
Yeah.
Asperi, can you hold this please? Let me shoot it with the 9 millimeter.
Sure.
I hit it one, right?
I don't think so. It's a rock. A rock hit the thing.
This was the AK, and that's the 9 millimeter right there. You see that?
Yes.
Okay. Nothing happened obviously with the 9 millimeter. We're kind of working our way back. What else do we have? Scar 17. All you Fortnite lovers that like to play this in games, this is the real deal. And we're shooting the 7.62 by 51, aka the 308. Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Ready to rock and roll, Jasperi?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Using a vortex scope. Final. I missed, right?
Only 5. 5 times.
Okay. I'm tired. Did I miss, really?
Come on, let's go check.
No, I think I missed.
You miss all.
Okay.
Ay, cabrón.
Okay. You guys act like you can do better in video games. This is not video games, this is the real deal. Jasperi, just get a little closer so I don't miss. My excuse as always, this rifle is sighted for like far distance at like 200-300 yards, and we're kind of close, so I have to just kind of adjust myself, and I don't remember where I... Is it missing?
Yes, let's go check. But yeah, you missed 3 more.
Okay, hold on. Let me go one more.
You missed 4. Wait, that's it. 5.
Here, you do it.
There's one more.
There's one more?
There's one more here?
I think so. Watch your finger. Your finger's on the way top.
Yeah. Okay. Bro, you have to aim. I missed 2.
That's it. I think that was it. That's it. Okay, great. Welcome to the missing channel.
Welcome to the missing channel. Cabron, if you want to use this thing for your protection,
No,
you don't hit nobody in case somebody...
Let's sight it in, okay? Let's sight it in, so...
Oh.
Okay. Let me get some rounds.
At least 10.
Okay, let's sight this thing in. I know you guys didn't come for this, but... okay, let's see. Oh, wait. Got your ears?
Yeah, cabron, I told you it's way up.
What?
It's up.
Yeah.
It's still up.
No. Perfect. You guys cannot make fun of me anymore because we're gonna go center now.
Cabron, if you miss, I going to laugh.
No, there's no way. There's no way.
Okay.
The sights were way off. That's why I don't miss. It's not me, it's the rifle.
Okay. Okay.
See? That's 2 in middle center.
Okay.
3 shots center, I told you.
Cabron.
Cabron, what, do you believe it's me?
Yeah, center shots.
Don, super center.
Yeah.
Look at that. And that's how you sight in your scope, your rifle. I was hitting right center. A little
Yeah.
shaky back and forth. Hey, look at this line. You see that line?
Yeah.
That's where all the fragments went. But anyway, that's the center one right there. And nice grouping.
Okay.
Yeah, the scope was way off. I don't know why. But anyway, nothing happened. Okay. You can probably still use this to cook on, just buddy.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, we'll see.
Well, after 50 BMG.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. That's it. Last round. Okay, we are perfect here. This is also from Serbu Firearms. And it's a single action. I'm gonna put the armor piercing incendiary tracer inside of it. So the way this operates is you break it open like your grandpa's shotgun. Eject the spent case, put the new one, close the breech, and then you are lock and load. Right, Jess buddy?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
Woo! Okay, just buddy, put the camera there. Actually, you know what?
Okay, over there. Perfect.
Why don't you go hide behind the car? I'm just gonna do it myself here.
Okay.
I don't want you to get hurt. Okay, just go.
Wait.
I'm just gonna go down like this.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Let me go behind the car.
Okay, go. Or go behind that wall. Hurry! It's hot. Run, cabron! I'm burning. You ready? Fire in the hole. Did you guys hear that ricochet? Huh? Cabron!
Cabron, I hide really good. I'm no chicken, but I don't want to die today. Oh, wow.
It cracked the top. Wow. Woo! Okay. That's your results. Anything else, Just Betty?
No?
I'm not gonna go any second round.
Let's go shoot one more time. Yeah,
No,
all
thank
right.
you. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. It's hot. It's 110. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure your notifications are on and all that good stuff. Subscribe if you haven't. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Let's go, Just Betty.